Alright. Got an air show today. Might see some thunderbirds. So, we're going to do another run. We'll try our first 3S run with a 25C. Let me get the phone set up here. Bear with me 1 second, guys. No idea if you can see what I'm seeing. It might be video and nothing. Alright, so if you watched our last one, thunderbirds are out, so maybe we'll see them. Maybe we'll see them during the video. They're behind the trees. So anyways, back to this. So we just got done with the URGENEX 2200 mAh 50C. We're gonna give these WL25Cs a shot. I wouldn't go much more than that right now. So let me get the set up and we'll get going. So hopefully we can beat that 30.9. We'll see. You want to go set this out there? Set it down there. Alright, let's turn our speed runner on. Alright, we got a signal. This is the 2200 mAh. 3S. So our goal is 20 or 35. That's where our goal, but I'll be happy if we get over 30, to be real honest. Alright. Make sure we got a signal. There we go. Alright. Well, it looks like this thing can't handle 3S. Oh, there it goes. Maybe it can. Cross your fingers, guys. Oh, it's way peppier. Way peppier. Alright. Honey, this thing doesn't steer like our other cars. Ooh! Explosion! Hopefully I didn't lose the battery. Nothing broke. Alright, where are we at? 35.1. Alright, we'll get it back together and we'll give her another shot. But that's not bad. 35.1. Not bad at all. First tumble wumble. Alright, we'll get this one more time. So that was 35.1. I don't know don't know if they have it separated into divisions with 2S and 3S. Probably should be, but whatever. We're going to give it another go, though. We're going to get another go. Broke my cord. Cross your fingers that this is going to work. It's holding. Alright. We'll see if we can go a little bit faster. Doesn't look like anything broke. Alright, one good pass, that's all we're looking for. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Whoa! 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 I know, I know. I know, right? Alright, where'd the GPS go? Alright. Oh, there we go. 44.2. 44.2, and we had a lot more, so we'll be hitting that 50 marker before you know it. This ain't gonna be a big deal, especially with the right gearing, and I got more gears to go. This is stock pinion, stock pinion, and the high-speed 68 tooth pinion or spur gear. So yeah, not too much damage. Good deal. Next time I'll take a little more time and make it right, but that's not bad at all. 64.2, see that? Beauty. Beauty. Or 44.2, 64. Jeez, I wish it was 64. 44.2, that's where we're at. Dig.